How to create a link in bio using System.io. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll be talking about System.io and how to actually use it to create a link in bio. Now, why would you want to do that for System.io? Because if you didn't know, System.io is actually for free. You can actually use it for free and create a link in bio for free. Not only that, but you can even do a lot more stuff with System.io. System.io is pretty much a platform that allows you to get your own System.io domain for free and allows you to build some funnels as well, also for free, which is very great. You can go to the pricing and you can see what you can actually do. You can see the limit of the free version of System.io, 3 sales funnels, which is great. And you can do a lot more stuff like courses and more stuff. So if you didn't have a System.io account, get one already. It's free and it's very jam-packed with tools and things that are going to help you. So just visit system.io and you can just get your free account from here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and sign into my account and I will basically show you step by step how to create your um, what was it? Yeah, link in bio. So I'll just verify this and get back to you once I'm in the dashboard. So this is how the dashboard should look like, and once you sign up, this is pretty much what you should see in System.io. Basically, where we need to go is going to be in the funnels tab on the top. So we can just click on funnels and we will need to create a new funnel for the link in bio. So just click on create after you click on funnel. And here we will need to give it a name, which is just going to be link in bio, obviously. And the funnel domain is going to be the System.io domain, which is for free. If you want if you have a custom domain and you want to use it, it's completely up to you. You just need to go ahead to the settings first and add your custom domain. So once this is done, you will need to just select the custom funnel. So this is going to allow you to build a funnel from scratch without, pre-built pages that are going to be for selling products and things like that. We just want a custom, fresh template. So just click on custom and don't worry, we're not going to build everything from scratch because it does actually have a template or templates for links in bio. Click on save. We don't really need to change the currency. It doesn't really matter. So just click on save. And now we will need to obviously set things up for it. So we have one funnel now, which is going to be the link in bio. Click on it. And here is going to be the list of pages you have for your funnels. Obviously, this is only going to be one page. So we will need to just click on add step. And here we will set up the actual step name. So we will just give it again the name link in bio. The type, we will need to select link in bio. So just click on the type. Is going to show you all the types of pages that you can generate, and we want the link in bio one. Obviously, click on it, click on save, and this should show up now. So you can actually see some of the templates that are available for you to customize from System.io. So just you can preview them, see them for yourself, and you can just finally choose to select them if you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and select. Let me just select this one. I think this one actually looks best. So let me just select the first one. And now we can just set up the name, link in bio, and URL path. We can just do again, link in bio. If you want to change this, it's completely up to you. So once this is done, we will need to just go ahead and click on edit page. And basically, here is going to be the part where we customize this page to exactly our liking. Basically, System.io is, to summarize things, you just click on whatever you want to edit, and you can just have the menu on the left side that you can edit many things for that specific section you have just clicked on. So for example, this could be your logo. So if you want to add your logo image, you can just simply click on this cloud next to image file, and you can just feel free to upload your logo. This is obviously not my logo. I'm just going to be using it for the demonstration purposes. I'm just going to insert it, and it's very huge. So let me just go ahead and tone this down a bit, just like that. So feel free to add your logo in here. This get in touch button, we would want to either use it or delete it. It's completely up to you. So I'm just going to remove it. I don't really need it right now. So I'm just going to delete it. And now we have the actual row and we have the actual section. So let's start with the section itself. So let's say we want to change the background for the section. Make sure you actually click on the section itself. And here you can select or change the margins as well if you want to. But we would want to go to the background color, click on it and change it to whatever we want. Let me just do gray. If you want to have a background image, you can also do so. To do so, we just need to go ahead, go to background image and upload a new one. There's already one. I'm just going to remove it. And here you go, we have just removed the background image and we can just upload another one completely if that's what you want. For the padding and stuff, it's completely up to you how you want to make sure, you know, the padding is proper. And all of these things as well. Now, what about the actual row? If you want to change the row background, you can just click on row. And then again, just go down to until you find the color. Click on it. Change it to your liking. Let's just do yellow and black or gray, whatever it may be. Let's just do white maybe. I don't know. Let's just... Okay. You know what? I'm just going to keep it as white. Let's not play around too much with it. So now we have just finished up. I believe there's something here. Yeah, this strip. Huh. Anyways, so here for the other elements, again, if you want to change this image, you just feel free to click on the cloud and just change it from here. I'm not going to really do that right now. I don't really have a specific image that's going to fit in here, but you know, you get the idea. Now, what about the text? You just, again, click on it and you can just feel free to change it to your username, basically. And you can also change the colors for it. As I was saying, you can actually change the colors for the text if you want to. I don't really suggest that you do that, but you can actually just feel free to do so. And again, once you click on it, you will have all the settings for it in the left side. You can see the font type, the font style, the color of the text, and the padding. Now, the buttons here, you can actually go ahead and click on them. And in here, you can set up the URL that it's going to lead to. And the function, obviously, the function is just going to be open URL, obviously, because it's a button. So just click on open URL and add the URL that is related to the actual buttons. Here, for example, it's my website, so it's going to lead to the link of your website. And again, the alignment on all of those things you can change, and you can even change the background color for the actual button. Let's just do some random colors now. So we can just keep on changing all of those accordingly. And if you want to delete one, you can just feel free to delete them from here. Again, let's just delete this and we can just, you know, keep adding links and keep deleting whatever we don't want. If you want to actually change the text in here, you would want to actually click on it and then just go to the button text and change it to the actual handle that you want. Now, underneath, we can also find the icons for the platforms, social media. Again, you just click on it and the function is going to be open URL and you would want to add the URL. And this is pretty much all you need to do for creating your link in bio. So just do all of this, finish setting the things up for this entire page. If you want to add a specific thing as well, you can just feel free to add elements from here, just drag and drop and you should be good to go. So I believe I just added an image. Don't really need this. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. Also, I forgot to mention one important thing. Usually, link in bios are going to be opened with a phone. So you would want to also view the phone layout, and you can see that it's not all great. So if you want to mess with this, you can just click on here and you can actually go ahead and change the margins and all of those things to actually fit with the phone. Just copy them. For example, this is going to be 16:16 for left and right. You can go to the next one, select it to be exactly the same, select the second one, go to this one, just do 16 and 16. For example, we can just change it by the numbers here. We can just do 16. Oops, sorry. It's also 16, doesn't really matter. Anyway, so we have this done. So just make sure it's also going to be suitable for mobile viewers, obviously. And once you're happy with this, you can just go ahead and click on Save Changes. And now we can actually feel free to just exit. And now we have this ready to go. This funnel has this page, and we can just click on here and we can actually see it whenever we want. Link in bio. And again, we can just feel free to edit page and all of those things. And obviously the link in bio is going to be this one. So just make sure you copy this link, and you can see if we just open it up in here, is going to be exactly how we want it to be. So this is pretty much how to create a link in bio using System.io. It is very easy and simple, and is completely for free. So I hope you found this video and tutorial to be useful, and thanks for watching.